All right, we're over here at Sonoma Raceway and checking out the SpeedTour, Mission Foods SpeedTour, with all these cool cars. So let's walk around the paddock. I think they're in the middle of their break over here. Oh, get some race fuel. Maybe take some race fuel home. So just checking things out, and man, check out the price for race fuel, man. 91 octane is $7.25, and 96 octane is almost 10 bucks, and then 100 octane is exactly 10 bucks a gallon. So you want that race fuel, man, you're gonna have to pay for it. Okay, so here's the restart of qualifying for groups 1, 3, 4, and 5. So let me just tell you what the groups are. So Group 1 is small displacement production sports cars and sedans, and examples of Group 1 cars include the Sprite, the Midget, the Mini Cooper, the Triumph Spitfire, Alfa Romeo Giulietta, MGAs, Fiat-Abarths, and Lotus Sevens. And then Group 3 are production sports cars and sedans in production prior to 1972. And then examples in this group include the MGB, the Triumph TR3 and TR4, Austin Healey 3000s, Porsche 356s, Morgans and Sunbeam Alpines, and Volvo P1800s. And then Group 4, these are like GT cars built prior to 1960, and there's Maseratis, Ferraris, Lotuses, Lister, let's see, Porsche Spiders, all included in this group. And then Group 5 are small bore World Sports Car Championships and prototypes that were raced between 1960 and 1972. And so examples in this group include Lotus 23, Lotus 30, Lotus 40, the Porsche 904, 906, 907, and 910, Lola 212, Lotus 11s, Lotus 15s, Lotus 17s. So I didn't see a whole lot in Group 5, but did see a lot of Group 1, 3 cars that I really enjoy and recognize. Okay, this is the group that I really came to see, Group 8, and you can see this was, from my observation, the largest group of cars at this weekend's race. So Group 8 includes production sports cars and sedans in production prior to 1979, and the examples in this group are the Lotus Super 7, Datsun 240Zs, the BMW 2002s, Porsche 911s, Porsche 914s, the Datsun 510s, or a ton of Datsun 510s, the Escort, Ford Escorts, and then of course the Alfa Romeo GTVs. So you'll see all these cars up and down this line. It's most exciting to see, so let's go watch them race. Okay, so this is the final group that I had a chance to watch. I've been at the racetrack all day. This is Group 2, which is the pre-1973 Formula cars conforming to the SVRA Classic Formula car regulation. So they're getting ready to start up and head out, and I'm heading out too, so we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.